Okay, so we're now on to line 3 of Greensleeves. So you might just want to open your book up to page 25. Grab a pencil if you're jotting in the notes as well. So we'll start off just as I said on the first bar of line number 3. And we have 3 notes to begin with. These notes are F, E and D if you're jotting them in, writing them in rather on your handbook. So the F note is on our 4th string, 3rd fret. Then our E note is on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Then we're just playing our D note, which is our 4th string open. Those first 3 notes all on string number 4, and they sound like this. Just play them nice and evenly, all lasting 1 beat each. Okay, so the next bar only has 2 notes, and they're both A notes. But the thing we have to just be careful of is that the first note is a minim. So the first A lasts 2 beats, and then we play the next A. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 3. And both of those A notes are on our 5th string. 1, 2, 3. And then we move on to the next bar, so bar number 3 of line 3. And we have 2 notes again, and these are both D notes. So we're playing these notes on our 4th string open. And it's quite similar to the bar that we just practiced. The first D note lasts 2 beats. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if I was just to play the first 3 bars of line 3, it sounds like this. I'm just going to play that again, and I'm going to count out those minims. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so bar number 4 only has 1 note in it. And you'll notice that this is a minim, but it's got a dot beside it, so it's called a dotted minim. Probably quite easy to remember. And dotted minims will normally last 3 beats. Okay, so our dotted minims last 3 beats. So we're just playing this D note, which is on the 4th string, and we're letting it ring out for 3 beats. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 3. Then if we move on to the next bar, we have another dotted minim that lasts 3 beats, but this time it's a C note, and it's our C note on our 2nd string. So that's 2nd string, 1st fret, using our 1st finger. So again, we let it ring out for 3 beats, and it goes like this: 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to play the first 5 bars of line number 3, just so we know how it sounds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And our last bar, the notes are C, B and A. This time though, the C note is on our 2nd string, 1st fret. Our B note is on our 2nd string open. Then our A note is on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, using our 2nd finger to hold the note down. And these are 3 crotchets, so just 3 notes that last 1 beat each. Play them nice and evenly. Okay, so that's all of line 3. Okay, so I'm now just going to play line number 3, so you know what it sounds like. After 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's all of line 3. You might want to try at this stage just to put the first 3 lines together, and once you feel confident, we'll move on to the next video.